Hi, I'm Ryan with the Accidental Overlander, the rookie overlander who is filming my journey so I can make the mistakes and hopefully you won't have to. Today I'm going to try to set this hammock up. Never set up a hammock before. My buddy Seth gave this to me for my birthday about 6 months ago. I've never really messed with it. I haven't, I'm always using my tent. So today I'm going to practice setting it up. I don't really have a spot in my house to try to do it, so I'm going to try to do it out here. Hopefully everything goes well, but we'll see how easy this thing is. This is like a camping hammock with a bug net. But I'm not really sleeping in this tonight. I'm more just trying it out, seeing how easy it is to set up. Maybe use it in the future because this certainly packs down a lot smaller than any of my tents ever will. So if I could put this in my arsenal, this would be a fun thing to have. So let's try to get it set up. It's this hard to get out. I can't wait until I have to put it back in this bag. I'm not sure how great this is working so far. What I did was I looped it through, and then it said you could make a knot and then put it through the knot. That's what I did. I'm sure there's a better way to do it. Let's see if I fall down. One way in, I gotta go on the other side. So I gotta hang it from 2 trees, but can I fit in it, and will it fall over? Those are the main questions right now. So we're about to find that out. We'll say it wasn't that hard, at least the way I think. I mean, it said that you could tie a knot and then do it, so that's what I did. Nice little pocket right here, and then there's also a little pocket in here where you can stick your cell phone or keys or something in. I'm taking a lot of time because I feel like I'm going to fall out, so that's probably why I'm wasting a lot of time. Knot didn't hold. It held on the top, but not down there. I didn't pull it tight enough, obviously. They have these little things to grab the zipper on, but they don't have them on the inside, just the outside. So we're going to make some more for the inside zipper. Oh. What do you think, guys? So this is our hammock view. I'm glad I did this video out here, not in my backyard. It might not be as nice. Yeah, so we have a little pocket right here. The other pocket is right here. Leather zippers. But yeah, I just feel like, you know, I've never really been in one before, but that you get a lot of headroom with this little thing that's going on with it. You know, sure, if you're watching my video, you've had to at least watch like a Stevie Walls video one time where he's always stealth camping in hammocks, and every once in a while he'll bring the camera in and it looks really kind of closed off and not all that spacious. And when I'm in this one, I mean, it is super spacious. I got all kinds of headroom up here. Not that I really need it, but yeah, it is pretty nice. All right, now is the time I've been dreading. It is time to try to put it back in a bag. Technically, it is its own bag, which is kind of cool. But let's see how easy it is to do it for this guy. What is kind of nice is the carabiner gives it some space. So no matter how tight you pull, there's always that little bit of space that's not getting pulled super tight. So it's not impossible to undo. Leave your comment down below right now. Do you think I'm going to be able to put this hammock back in its bag properly? Yes or no? And at the end of the video, did you guess right? Probably, huh? In your bag. Take the leftover stuff and get that in the bag. Might not be the prettiest. It's in there and it'll work. Still packs down less than a tent would be. I could probably use some practice packing this thing down for sure. But man, yeah. Very cool, very cool. Alright guys, well I got it set up. It sank down a little bit when I got into it, but I think I'll know what to do when next time I set it up. Wasn't too bad. It's actually really comfortable when I got inside of it, so it might be a thing that I actually try to take out. Sometimes when I've traveled other places like the Croatan National Forest, the forest is so dense that I actually can't even like have two trees to put a hammock together, so, or to hang a hammock from. So I do have to worry about that. You know, this place obviously is fine. I could hang it from a lot of different places. But this is the hammock. Thank you to Seth for getting it for me for my birthday. I will definitely be using it for other camping trips. I know even if we're not camping in it, Isley and Penelope are going to just love laying in that thing. I love the bug net, and then it just gives you so much headspace when you're in there. It's great. Alright, so if you like this video, like and give me a like or subscribe. If you have any questions about the hammock, you can go ahead and ask them. I will either answer them or try my best to find out the answer for you. Alright, we will see you next time.